Hello everyone, welcome back. In this session, we can implement Course Category CRUD Operation in our admin dashboard. I have prepared a prompt for this. If you have some time, please go through it. If you can read the second point, remember already category table exists in database which is related to blogs. For Course Category CRUD, choose a different table name like C category. Under the third point, the columns I need inside the table. And at the end, if you can see, I'm asking the commands to create the filament resources, migration, and model, all the commands I'm expecting. And very important note last, create policies for course category to manage the, I mean, uh, to manage the roles and permissions, over the course category CRUD operation. So now it's a time to jump into ChatGPT. This is the prompt I have. Let me copy the prompt. Now I'm just going to ChatGPT, go to ChatGPT, add this prompt inside of it. So this is not required. Yeah, please implement category. Please implement course category CRUD operation, right? Table name like C category. Let's hit enter. Usually it will take some time. We can wait for it. Just take 14 seconds. This time it is very early. I think we don't want to do much work here. So we have the following 4 commands. I think we are done. I think the storage is already linked. We don't want to run this command. Very first time we did this. Now let me run the command one by one. Open your project. So already application is in running. So let us open one more terminal here. So in this terminal, we can run the commands. So model C category, model and migration both will be created because of this command model category, model C category, and -m stands for migration. So now once migration file created, we will open and we need to add some code inside the migration file. Yeah, both created, model created, migration file created. Go to the database, go to migrations. We have a file like this. Inside the file, we will add the following code. This is a file that we have here. Just copy the code and I'm just adding inside of it. Right, so let us go and add this file inside of it. PHP tag is missing, fine. So we added the following. Now the next command that we need to run is going to be, what is the policy? Okay, let us run this following command also. I think they're giving double slashes. Actually, double slashes are not required. Okay, we will see this. Now I'm just going to terminal and run this following. I'm just removing the 2 times slashes we are having. I don't need, I believe. One time is enough, I believe. So let us hit enter. Yeah, policy file is also created. Let me go to the models folder. Can you check? Do you have anything inside? Nothing. Empty template. So you do one thing. You go down and what is the code generated for the C category model? Copy the code and paste inside of it. Right. I'm done. So model is ready 2 times. Right. Remove this. Before creating filament resource, we need to run the migration command. Migrate. One table is there, that one table will be created. What is the table? C categories table. Now it's good to go with the filament resource of running the migration. Where is this? Yeah, this is the following command we are having. Let me copy the command. Let me try to hit here. So here, let us see. So what is the problem? Modal option is not a accept value. So this command is enough, I think. Let me copy this command. Earlier we got some error by running the following command. Otherwise, we have something like this also. Yeah, fine. So I'm okay with this command. Copy the command and you can run the following. It will create a filament resource. What is the title attribute? C category. Just I want to take like this. And where you want to create, I want to create this in admin. So would you like to generate read-only view page for the resource? No. So filament resource got created. Nothing, just if we can go to your admin panel and refresh this, and you will see the following. We are able to see categories. But the label is what? Menu label, C categories. You want to change, you can change this also. Let me show you how to change this label. I already opened a website. Go to the website. This is the following command. You can copy this for the navigation label. You can go to your filament resource. Where is this? C categories. This is the category source. Just add the following. Name is going to be course category. Let me take this is going to be course categories. Fine. This record, okay, this attribute is same. We don't want to change anything. If we can refresh now, can you see this? Now the menu title will change. This is now course categories and the icon. And I want to organize this under course management. So what we can do, if we can open categories, category resource, we have the following thing, right? Copy these two and paste them into your resource, and this is the tag, and this is going to be course management. But very important thing, this unit enum we have to import. Use unit enum, that is very important. Now if we can refresh, maybe you will see. Yeah, fine. So course management, under this we are able to see course categories. Click this and maybe you will see the place. Or you have anything? Nothing. And can you click the new category? Right, the form is ready. It is not generating automatically, so we have to ask the AI generate the slug automatically. Some description related to web technology that we need to add. Okay, that you can choose any other, but I'm choosing this following. And we need to have thumbnail, but thumbnail is an image, right? All right, so what I will do, this is not coming as expected, so let me ask the AI tool, please redesign the form. So what I will do, here we have schemas. In the schemas, we have category form. Just you can re-upload the form into AI. So under the thumbnail, we need an image upload. What is one more thing? Slug should be generated automatically. I think we didn't mention these points in the prompt. If we can mention, definitely it will generate it. The problem is what? My prompt. I didn't give that prompt. That's why it is not doing right. Let me upload the file. In the file, I just mentioned the following points. What are the points I just want to mention? Under thumbnail field, allow to upload files, allow to upload images. Slug should be generated automatically. Generated automatically. Any other we need? And we can ask this also. Use some grid. Use some grid and cards to make the form more beautiful. Make the form more. If you can able to explain this all in one shot, I think we don't want to rework it. Right? It's already generated. We don't want to work it again and again. Perfect. And it is giving the file, and we will copy this code. Category resource. I uploaded a different file, right? I uploaded C category form. So it is giving something wrongly. Code. Below is the existing code that is already working. Already working. Okay, right, already working. In the above file, generate the slug automatically, as well as in place of thumbnail, remove text field, and provide an option to upload file. Rewrite the file, rewrite the code. Okay, right. Here is the rewritten C category form. Schema file upload, fine. So let us see what it will do. I think if you just copy this file and we will upload, we will paste into it and we will see what is going to be happen. Just I did the same, the code, whatever they given. Let me refresh it and this time we will see whether this is working or not. I think in prompt, if we can mention everything properly, they will do better, I believe. I think we are unable to do that earlier. Just I given a very plain prompt, right? So now you can write this. Welcome to Laravel or web technologies created by, I think this should come dynamically, right? Created by should come dynamically. So I'm not adding anything, but we will see. So active, and let me create it. Yeah, perfect. You are able to see it, but here you have to display the image. So in the table, and fine. So we can trim this information. We don't want this much. Meta title is not required. In place of the thumbnail, we want to display the image. Again, what I will do, you can go to this category resource, go to the tables. This is a category resource table. So in the table, so whatever the code that we are having, so this is a file, right? Updated it, created it, and meta title. This meta title is not required for me. Okay, remove meta title. In place of it, it should be an image column. We have to have image column title, and title also, if you can trim it, you can trim it by using, there is some method limit, I believe. So here if you can write limit method, it will take care. So let me upload this file to ChatGPT, and let me ask it this again. So what I will ask, go to this ChatGPT, upload the file, and you just ask the following. Just uploading the table. In the table, under the thumbnail column, in the table, under the thumbnail column, display the uploaded image. Display the uploaded image. Okay. Remove meta title. Remove. I think that we can do manually. Okay, this is enough. So we can remove directly, no problem. Just let me ask the file. Else we can copy image column. Yes, I told you, right? Image column we have to copy. Meanwhile, it will generate. I will do my copy paste work. So you have to go to up, take this image column. So you have to come here and you have to mention this as an image column. Under this searchable is image is not searchable, right? I think it is not required. Image column. Just I'm copying this image column, and this is fine. In place of this thumbnail, just you can add the following thing. Okay, image column, and I think we have to add comma here. Slug is fine. This meta title is not required for me. I am removing the meta title. Okay, so meta title I removed, and created it, updated it. Fine. So created by, this is a thing that we need to ask the AI, that should be generated by automatically. We are getting the ID. So we are getting created by ID. Wait for a second. It is refreshing. Are you getting the updated data? Meta title we removed. Maybe error. Column, image column directory does not exist. Let me add the same thing. Image column directory does not exist. Just I'm adding the following error to it. But image column make thumbnail. This is what they given. And what is the code I have here? If you can see the thumbnail, image column, make thumbnail. I think the same code, I believe. So I'm just going to check this, and you can try to save this file in your, where is my blog table? Image column. Go to this. Just add the code for it, image column. I'm just going to refresh it again, and let me see what is the output we can see. Yeah, this time no error. We have the following, but I think image is not coming. You observed or not? I don't know where the image went. I don't know. See, in your form, you are having upload, right? This is upload, and this is public directory, and we are going to move into category, and these are the allowable files. So this is the following thing. But why we are not getting this? Let me inspect this, and let me check the path of the image. What is the path of the image? And localhost. So the image, let me hover this. So we are not getting any image path here. I don't know what is the reason. Need to verify the storage. 1 minute, please. Training Institute. We have the public folder. Inside we have storage. Inside the storage we have C category, and we have images. Ask finally ChatGPT. Images are not displaying. Okay. After adding the following code, just I'm asking this. After adding the, you can say like this directly. After adding the above code, images are not displaying. Okay, they are coming like this, right? So this is the way they are getting, right? Let me take the screenshot and let me send the same thing to AI. So please analyze the image. Please ANALYZ, analyze the image. Just I'm adding the following and let us see. But okay, let me try this scenario. But whatever the code it may be, ultimately the image should be, we have to see the image, right? Let me go to my editor. Let me image column. Let me remove this. Let me try to add the following. And if we can go to the browser and just refresh it, whether we will able to see the images or not this time, we'll see. This is not adding src attribute first of all. Previously, right now we are able to see the image. But I don't know what is the reason, what is the issue. But the same thing we are doing inside your blogs and everywhere. The same code we are running. There we are able to see the image. But this time, okay, anyhow, we got the image. But created by whom? The name I want to get, but it is giving the ID. Okay, if you can ask the AI tool again. I don't want to ID. I need the created by the user. But to get this, we want to check user model as well as we want to check that code is not there. I believe relationship code that is giving just the logged in user ID. I believe who logged in, that ID we are able to get here. So you can see where is this updated by, created by, can you see numeric and sortable created by, who created that user ID, user information I want. Let me add the following code to ChatGPT under the following column. Where is this? Okay, copy this. I prefer this response because it is working, right? Here we can copy this code under created by column, ask ChatGPT. Under this column, I need who created. I need username, username with ID, username with ID, who created. And wait for some time and it may give you this code. Yeah, it is giving the code. Just copy this code and paste the code there. Text column. Where is this? Yeah, just I'm adding the following. Let me see what is going to be happen. Just go to the browser and refresh it and we will see whether you will get the name of the user or not. Yeah, you are getting the admin because admin created. That's why you are getting this. And inside this also, we can add delete and view as well as editor for every row for the in the table. Let me ask this also in the table for every row, add, delete, view buttons also. Okay, view buttons also. Let me ask this again. It may give you a snippet, the snippet that we will add there. Can you see here? They're asking us to see category model has a relationship. I think it is already there. I believe that's why you are getting the name. Meanwhile, it is generating. If you can open the model, there is the model C category. With the models, we have C category. In the model, you may see the relationship code. I believe unique slug is there. We have model, we have booted, some code is there. Yeah, created by belongs to. It is there. That's why the name is coming. Otherwise, we may not get this, I believe. Okay, it is giving the code. What I need to do for this actions. Yeah, we don't want to copy everything. Action. So view action make. I think this we need to import, I believe. 1 minute. And you can delete action make. Why this is asking a lot of things. I mean, it is asking the confirmation also. Let me try to add the following view action, delete action. So just suggestions came, but the path you see, this path may be filament table action. But here, filament actions, there is no table because this code may be filament 3, right? The path will be different. But anyhow, I think we are done, I hope. So let me try to refresh my page and let me try to see whether you're able to see view and yeah, perfectly we are getting edit, view, delete, all options we are getting. So when I'm clicking the delete button, it will ask the confirmation window. Let me see. Yeah, it is asking the confirmation window, right? That's why the code was, some code extra was there, required confirmation, something was there here. Right, perfect. And this course category is completed. In the next session, we will implement courses CRUD operation. We will see in the next session. Thank you.